Hi, I'm Craig, and today I'm going to talk about direct and indirect. Direct and indirect. I will talk about direct and indirect objects and speech. So what is a direct object? A direct object is the thing within the sentence that receives the action directly. So the verb is directed towards the object. For example, she ate an apple. She ate an apple. The direct object in this sentence is apple. This is the thing that she ate. Or he threw the ball. He threw the ball. In this sentence, ball is the direct object. It's the ball that is affected by the throw. And the apple is the thing that is affected by the eating of it. So whatever is affected directly by the action, by the verb, is the direct object. She ate an apple. He threw the ball. The indirect object is for whom or to whom the action is done. For example, he gave me a gift. He gave me a gift. So it's to who or for who the action. So he gave me. He gave to me a gift. So me is an indirect object in this sentence. He gave me a gift. So gift is the thing receiving the action of being given. So gift is the direct, and me is the indirect. Yeah? He gave me a gift. Or she bought James a book. She bought James a book. She bought James. Okay? So James received this book. The action was done for James. So James is the indirect. James is the indirect object. And what did she buy James? A book. So book is the direct. She bought for James a book. So indirect is for him and direct is the book. So the direct object answers the question whom or what. She ate what? What did she eat? An apple. So it answers what. What did he throw? The ball. So this answers the question of what. She ate an apple. He threw the ball. What did she eat? Apple is a direct object. What was thrown? It was the ball. The ball is the direct object. So the indirect normally comes before the direct if the direct is present, if the direct is there. But it normally comes before. He gave me, the indirect, a gift. And these answer to whom or to what. Yeah. So he gave me a gift. So as we saw, the direct is answered what. What did he give? A gift. To whom did he give the gift? Me. Which makes me the indirect. What did she buy? A book. To whom did she buy it? Yeah. James. James. Which makes that the indirect. She bought the book for James. So now we're going to look at direct speech and indirect speech. Reported speech is when you tell somebody what somebody else said. And you can do this with direct speech and indirect speech. So, for example, I like going to the park, said Daniel. Or, Daniel said, I like going to the park. So, I like going to the park, said Daniel. Daniel said, I like going to the park. This is an example of direct speech because I have quoted exactly what Daniel said. Okay, using the words that Daniel used, or as close to what I can remember what Daniel said. I like going to the park. Indirect speech is when you don't quote exactly. So the indirect speech is Daniel said he likes going to the park. I have expressed what Daniel said, but I haven't quoted him exactly. Daniel said he likes going to the park. This is indirect, and this is direct, where you quote exactly what was said. So, can you see a direct or indirect object in this sentence? I like going to the park. So, what do I like? Is the question you need to answer. What do I like? Going to the park is the direct object. Okay, because it's what I like. There is no indirect object in this sentence. Okay? So the direct objects and the indirect objects do not have to be just one word. It could be, in this case, it's over half the sentence is direct object. So what do I like? Going to the park. So this is another example. I'll call you tomorrow, he said. And he said he'd call me tomorrow. Which of these is direct speech and which is indirect? The first one, I'll call you tomorrow, he said, is direct speech because it's a quote on what he said. The second one is it isn't a quote, it is an explanation of what was said. He said he'd call me tomorrow. This is indirect. So, do you know what the direct and indirect objects are in this sentence? I'll call you tomorrow. So, you look at the verb, call, who or what. I call him. I'll call you. So you is the direct object in this sentence. Yeah. So who am I calling? You. It's a direct object. So tomorrow is the indirect object. It isn't directly affected by the action like you is. It just gives a time as to when the action is taking place. I hope this video has helped, and if you like the video, please remember to like and subscribe and leave a comment in the comment section. If you'd like a private English lesson, then please click on the link in the description. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.